So I just painted these. Was too excited, couldn't wait for the morning. And I think it's going to need one more coat. I'll do it in about a half hour, but it looks really, really good compared to the dull nastiness it was. I don't know if I could post in the comments pictures, but I'll try to post pictures of what it looked like before and after. So this paint is a little weird. It's heavy. It's kind of like I think it's got a little bit of a texture to it, but I like it. So I'm going to bring the frame in and spray the frame. So I'll just make this a quick part 2, painting all the covers. These are covers. I don't know if you can see it through there because it's got paint on it. But I can't wait to take those off. See if it looks. Stickers are a little dull looking, but I'm thinking with the new paint, should make it look, pop. So we'll see. Restoring an all-power 8,000 watt generator. There's the component to control the generator. 13 horsepower. So I sprayed it outside a little bit. Now I'm going to bring it in inside. I hope I don't have any runs. Should have really painted it in the garage, but didn't want to get everything everywhere. But so far I think it looks good. I had the light out here on it. Sorry about the noise, it's my air conditioner. So as soon as that dries, I'll bring it in and we shall see. If I could get that screw out of the gas cap, next I'll be painting the gas can. I mean, not the gas cap, the top of the gas tank. Sorry guys, I'm tired. It's like 2 in the morning, so I'm probably going to give this a quick coat, clean up, put all my tools away. They're all over the place. So just organize a little bit, and then Pepsi. I stopped drinking beer. I do drink beer every once in a while, but I don't drink in Mark. But I'm probably going to have another Pepsi. And then we shall see. Oh, I know what I'll do. While I'm waiting for the paint to dry, I'll take these bolts, the good old wire wheel. I'll clean them up. So let me do one, so I don't leave you guys hanging. Just give me 1 second, guys, okay? Oop, sorry. 1 second. Hoping we can get them nice and clean. We shall see. Obviously I gotta take the washers off, hold it with a pair of vice grips and clean each side, clean up the nuts. Every nut and bolt's gonna be clean. Okay, let's see. I gotta get the vice grips, but you guys get the point. I gotta hold it with the vice grips. So let me clean up a little bit. I'll get the vice grips and clean up all these nuts and bolts and washes. Talk to you guys soon.